hidden and tucked away, I've been given the opportunity to show you through an apartment that's just one of 5 architecturally upmarket design apartments in Mosman Park, and built in 2021 by the 7 Groups Australia. Hi, I'm Trent Vivian and welcoming you through 1A to E St Leonards Street in Mosman Park. Apartment E is situated on the top floor and is north facing. Upon entry, you'll see how much the natural light just brightens up this entire room, and the sense of space is fantastic with the high ceilings. Of course, in this zone we have an upmarket modern kitchen, a dining area and a lounge room that are all seamlessly connected, and then behind me there's a European styled laundry. All of this then flows directly outside through these large floor to ceiling doors to a modest sized balcony that is fantastic for entertaining. Upstairs there are 2 modest sized bedrooms, both with large inbuilt robes and zoned air conditioning. The minor bedroom has a great natural light and is across the hall from its own modern bathroom that is fully tiled and has a large shower recess. The master bedroom has access to its own ensuite bathroom with the same quality, and a balcony in case you need a breath of fresh air to stand out in. To top it all off, this apartment has its own store shed at the front door, plus a lock-up garage with a second tandem bay. These types of upmarket townhouse styled apartments with storerooms in small complexes with no lifts or pools are hard to find in Mosman Park, and they serve as a fantastic base or investment for anyone looking for a property like that profile. I look forward to showing you through shortly.